So here's how to create products at Clickfunnels 2.0. Clickfunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products and services online without having to hire or rely on a tech team. And if you want to start using Clickfunnels, click on my link down in the description. And as you can see, we're now in the official Clickfunnels website. From here, if you scroll down, you will get to see a lot of information on the website. From here, go ahead and click on Pricing from the top bar. And once you're on the pricing page, you will get to see two options that you can choose from. First one is Startup, and then we have Pro. Here, you can compare the two packages based on your required brand workspaces and team members, and all other features for both the plans are the same. So to get started, click on my link in the description and log in to your Clickfunnels account. Then, you will reach the Clickfunnels dashboard. So once you're in the Clickfunnels dashboard, go over to the left panel. Here, you can get to see a lot of options. From the options, click on Products and then click on All Products. So once you're on the Product section, you will get to see options like Great Product, Learn More. You can also see Add from Zendrop on the top right corner. Now, go ahead and click on Great Product. And on this section, you will get to see your product type. You can set the type from digital, physical, or bundle. Then, type in your product name and description. The bundle option is for when the product is both physical and digital. And if you select digital, that is only for digital products. So let's select digital and type in the product name. And once you're done, go over to the description section and type in a description for your product. So for this video, I will type in something random. You can also click on the AI option to get help from Clickfunnels AI. So once you click on it, you will get to see this pop up on the right side. Here, you can start talking to their AI. You can also see multiple pre-made questions to choose from. So once you're done making all the changes, cancel this and click on Create Product. Then, you will get to see this section. Here, you can see price type and amount. You can set this up by selecting the price type. You can select one-time, subscription, or payment plan. So once you select subscription, you will get to see amount per payment, when to charge your customers, and also if your product has a free trial or paid trial. So if you select free trial, you can set the trial length right here. You have multiple options to choose from. And if you select paid trial, you can set the trial length and trial cost. Now, let's go ahead and click on Payment Plan. Here, you can see amount per payment, then when to charge your customer. After that, we have amount of payments. Then, the same way as before, you can select Product has a trial. Then, you can set the trial options and also customize each and every price type according to your preference. So, for now, I will go ahead and click on Subscription. Here, let's type in an amount per payment. After that, let's set when to charge the customer. I will choose 1 month. And once you're done making all the changes in subscription, let's go ahead and click on Payment Plan. Here, let's set the amount per payment as $49. After that, let's set when to charge the customer. Here, I will set 1. Then, let's go over to the amount of payments. I will go ahead and set it at 3. Now let's select Product has a trial, and then you can choose free trial or paid trial according to your preference, but I would prefer offering a free trial first. So let's go ahead and select free trial and type in the trial length. So now, once you're done making all the changes, click on Set Price. After that, you will be redirected to this page. This is where you need to make sure all the information that you put in is correct. Go through them once again and make sure they're accurate. And on the Images section, click on Select Image. And as you can see, there are a lot of options to choose from. You can also click on Upload Images if you want to upload your own image. So, I will go ahead and select an image that I uploaded previously and then click on Select Image. And as you can see, the image has been added right here. Now, if you look over to the right, you can set Sales Channel Visibility. Here, you can enable or disable Online Store and Customer Center. And on the pricing section, you can see the price that you set just now. So go through the information and make sure all of it is correct. You can also click on this Edit Price button if you want to make further changes. And on the right side, you will get to see all the options available in order to edit your price. So go through them and make any necessary changes if you want. You can also change the trial option from this section. Now, just go through all the options and make sure they're set according to your preference. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on Save on the bottom right corner. After that, it will be saved with all the changes that you've made. Since I haven't made any changes, I will click on Discard Changes. Now, if you click on Add Price on the pricing section, you can add a new price right here. And this is pretty much the same option if you click on Edit. Here, you can set the subscription type. And as you can see, I have the subscription option selected. Here, you can set the amount and also when to charge your customer. Then if you scroll down further, you will get to see all the additional options. So let's go back to the posting. Here, you can see an option that says product is taxable. So if your product is taxable, you can set this section up according to your location. So first, select your tax category ID. Then, go over to tax subcategory ID and select the subcategory of your product. And once you're done, go over to the inventory and shipping option. Here, you can put in the SKU of your product. And on the bottom, you can see fulfillment required. If you select it, you will get to see additional options right below it. So, set them and go over to continue selling when out of stock. You can also choose this option if you want. And if you click on Inventory History, you'll be able to see your inventory history from that section. Then, if you go over to Location, you have some options to customize this as well. You can also set your available quantity. Now, scroll down and select if this product is a physical product. If it is, select this and you can put in the weight and country of manufacture. So, I will type in a demo weight, and you can also choose between pounds, kilogram, gram, etc. So, set this, and also you need to put in the country of manufacture. You can scroll through the options or use the search bar on the top. So, I will go ahead and select United States. After that, scroll down further. Here, you can see purchase actions. Here, you can set digital asset access. You can also set course access and community access. Then, further down, you can set the variants. If this product has multiple variants, you can set this product has multiple options. Then, you can put in the options according to the variants. So, you can set color, size, and other options. Then, you need to put in the values and also add more options. You can also delete these options by clicking on the delete icon. After that, scroll down further and you will see this SEO and sharing option. Here, if you click on Edit SEO and Sharing, you can customize it. And after you're done, click on Update Product. And as you can see, you get this notification on the top right for confirmation. And after you're done going through all the processes, your products will be created. And this way, you can create all kinds of products on ClickFunnels. And that is exactly how to create products at Clickfunnels 2.0.